So Caledonia, the co-op started, it's been over 100 years now in city of Caledonia. Then it had transitioned to Lake Odessa, and in the last 5-10 years, we have also added the Charlotte location on, branched out to where it's more, I guess I would say, 40% agronomy and then feed and
a little bit of grain.
Yeah.
A little bit of retail.
Right now, like I told you before, we're using Excel sheets. Well, we start out with, this is our Excel sheet. She sends it to the four of us. I want to change mine this way a little bit, and he changes his this way. He accidentally deletes a cell.
Yeah.
Well, now who knows if the spreadsheet's even right, and
Right.
Where a web-based system for that whole farm planning and for your fertilizer and application and everything, where you can't get in and completely change a formula. I think it will be handy, and where having it throughout the whole company, I think would make things a lot cleaner too. Correct. So we have, all the sales personnel have access to it. Every one of our applicators, and we've even found that it's worth having a couple extra accounts, because we will even send out with some of the tender drivers. They have found, especially with the spray tenders, they found if they can have the iPad help coordinate the day with the applicator. Yep. So the way we're using it, because we don't have a dispatcher, we are color coding depending on what the application is. So that way, all the applicators in dry can filter it to that color and see the dry work that's in there, and then they can help. That'll help them decide who's going to go do what. Where the liquid guys that are spraying don't need to see the dry work. Yep. So it's been really nice trying to follow all the regulations and make sure all the proper data and everything is on the work order and the app log. And it's been nice that there's been spots in there to make sure we meet all of the
reporting and compliance issues.
That's what I was looking for.
Legally, we have to send out the app logs to customers. So we can literally just send a copy of that app log right from Agworld with the invoice to the customer, and that covers our obligation to report to them. I think the benefit of switching to Agworld is just the efficiencies and having everything all in one place. Our applicators, when we switched to it, I mean, there was a learning curve and a little bit of grumbling, but they would never go back.
And it's been great having the crew, I guess, when we have a question, a concern, or an idea, knowing that when you pass it along, it's getting moved up the ladder, and there's been times where 2 months later we'll get a phone call and say, hey, remember that thing you talked to us about? Get in there, it's in there now. So it's been cool seeing some of our ideas being implemented.